In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can brand your iPEGS forms. There are two ways of doing this. If you're going to have your same company branding on all of your forms, so if you're going to have the same logo, etc., same colours, then that is done by setting up your branding here in the branding tab. So once you've logged into the portal, you can go to branding. You can put in your company footer, so this might be your web address, it might be your phone number, email, and that will show on the bottom of the PDFs when they are submitted through. You can set all different header colors, background colors, button colors, based on your company branding. If you're not sure how to get the color, there are various tools online. I actually use a little plugin called Color Pick Eyedropper. So that's like a little plugin for my Google Chrome browser. So if I click on that, when I move my mouse on the screen, you can see that it selects the color. So all you do is go onto your website and you could then look for your main logo color. So I'm going to click on that and you can see that's now the color BE22688, and I could then enter that into my heading colors and my button color, etc. So you can set all of the colors of your forms. The important bit then is uploading your logos. So you've got the option to add logos to the header, which is the most common, but you can also add logos to the footer of your form. So to add a logo, you can see I've already added a logo here which is centered, but the process is simple. You click on choose file, you look for the logo file image on your computer, select that. You can then choose whether you want the logo to be at the left, the center, or the right, and then simply click add logo, and that will upload it here, and it will add it automatically to all of the forms that you create in the form manager. If, however, you're going to have different logos for different forms, let's say you've got different business brands or different business types or whatever it may be, in that case you need to override the company branding. So I would still advise setting up your company branding in this way. But if you do have a form or forms that needs a different logo, that's done within the form settings. So if I go to this example form here, if I click on the cog and click on the settings icon, the edit icon, this opens up my form settings. So what I need to do is go down and click on the advanced tab. And you can see here that this form is defaulted to my branding is company. So what I need to do is click on individual to change that. I can then upload a logo to the left, to the center, or to the right, or all three for my header, for my footer, and for my footer information. So if we do this now as an example, let me just choose a logo. I'm just going to choose that logo as an example. So if I save that form now, if we go to a standard form, so let's click on this form here, you'll see that it will default to my company branding logo and colors. But if I go to this example form where we've just changed the company branding, you'll see that it's changed and replaced the logo with the logo that I've just added to that form. So that's how you manage your company branding for all of your forms. If you need to change branding for each individual form, you can do that within the form settings.